Rolling.
Ready, set,
Rolling.
throw! Go that! Oh! What? Ball crack!
It went straight. You only went like 2 feet, and we need some chalk. You know why? So I can draw a line where you guys have to start firing at.
Right.
Still rolling.
Alright.
Take 2.
Throw!
Nosedive.
Come on!
Still rolling.
Okay, let's see if the opposite.
Where'd it go?
Right there.
I got it. Hey. When there, it's fixing. Watch this on YouTube.
Better airplane is the nose airplane because it flies.
Actually, down the ground.
Yeah.
Really, Zach? Zach knows how to do it. You do not know how to do it, John. And I'm gonna.
Yeah, I know. Zach can do it better because he wants to hit the teachers.
Whoa! Hey, I didn't film that.
Okay, I'll mark myself right here. Let's see. Let's see if you can hear it. Boom. Ready, set, throw.
It went to the dumpster.
What?
It went to the dumpster.
Oh no!
I filmed that. I filmed that.
Wait, it went to the dumpster?
Yeah, I just filmed that. It's on YouTube later on tonight, okay, Zach?
No, I threw it that far.
Right in front of the dumpster. Park right in front of the dumpster.
Right then. Well, set.
Got that. 10 feet. Hey, we need to put a track here so we know how far we're going.
Airplane master.
We need to put some markers so we know how far we're going.
It went near the dumpster. I can stand
John, I filmed it already. I filmed where it was.
I'm gonna stand right there.
Just say the dumpster's 20 feet, okay, or something.
I'm right where your shoot is at. What? Ready, set, throw. Billy! Oh, Billy! Come on!
Good job.
I'm glad today.
I can build the airplanes. He can build the airplane.
Hey, we need to put markers in the grass so we know how far we're going.
I got it. I got
Throw.
it.
4.
Here you go.
Oh! It did like a little swirl.
I know. What's Jamin doing to Hester's truck?
I have no idea. What?
Jamin did something to Hester's truck.
Oh no.
Loser. Jamin Clean's a loser.
The tip is getting really worn out. Look at that tip.
I know.
I don't know how much it can take.
A few more throws. Next time we'll hey, we should make an airplane all duct tape.
That might not fly too well.
Well, I made a wall of duct tape. That worked fine.
Ready, set, throw.
Throw, Zach.
Oh! I think the wind's disappearing. The wind is going away.
Still, the pressure's the problem. The pressure's gonna kill it.